Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 10 we could not complete the install because an update service was shutting down. First method is type services in Windows search bar, right click run as administrator. Open Windows Update Service. Change startup type to automatic, click start the service, click apply, click OK. Second method is click start, settings, click update and security. Click troubleshoot, click additional troubleshooters. Click Windows Update, click Run the troubleshooter. Third method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Type net space, stop space, WUAU serve. Type net space, stop space, bits. Type net space, stop space, crypt svc. Ren space c colon / windows / software distribution space software distribution.old. Ren space c colon / windows / system 32 / catro2 space, catro2.old. Net space, start space, WUAU serve. Net space, start space, bits. Net space, start space, crypt svc. Exit and restart system. Fourth method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type sfc space, /scano. Type dism space, /online space, /cleanup -image space, /restore health. Exit and restart system. Fifth method is open any browser. Type Windows 10 download in browser search bar. Click Download tool now. Open downloaded file. Click Accept. Check Install Windows 10 and also check Keep Personal Files and Apps. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.